Alright everyone, and welcome to your first video game art, git211. This is a game art intro. We do a lot of different game arts, and the pace is pretty quick, so you need to get going as fast as you can. No time to waste, ladies and gentlemen. This is me right here, obviously at ASU Video Lab. This is another video and I'm making right now. This is more general, taking for every years. This is one that I make every semester just to really introduce the class to you personally. I feel that that is better touch. So now you have all the information as usual right here. You can meet your instructor here. Alright, this is me obviously. You have the welcome and start here that you just saw with all the information. Another YouTube class intro right here. I will add the one I'm doing right now just under that one, or probably maybe somewhere else also. You have the syllabus right here, all the information about the class, the textbook information that is right here. You do not really need the textbook. The textbook is complementary to what we are doing. It is nice to have and will give you a little bit more in-depth knowledge about what am I doing in teaching you. But really the class is very, very thought through and lots of details. So if you don't have the cash, hey, keep your money for food or anything like that, or for important stuff. You can go through the class just by watching my videos and reading the lectures, okay? But it's a nice book that will go well with all the other classes. It really teaches you concept and not just software. And that's very important. As concept go across years, and software comes and goes, as we know. Okay, you have the course schedule right here, and you have the hallway conversation right there. It is important to understand there's really two type of discussion, actually three type of questions. You have the administrative questions, all right, about the class. There's a broken link, you know. When is the next assignment due, and this is in the hallway conversation right here, okay? And then you have your weekly posting. You need to post your progress at least once a week to get points for the weekly posting. That's very important. Now in all those forums right here that are public forum, you do not discuss personal matters. If you have a personal matters, why is my grade so low, I should have get a better grade, or I can't have my homework ready in time because I'm sick, and it does happen, and I'm pretty open to that if you don't abuse me, of course. Then you need to email me directly, and you can find all the information in Meet Your Instructor, obviously, okay? They have no place here, okay? But if you have a question on how to use Maya, do not email it to me. Because if you email it to me and someone else has the same question, nobody learns about it. All right, they have to ask over and over. If you post it right here, all right, in the discussion, the weekly discussion, then I just answer it in the next 12 hours, maybe 24 hours sometimes, all right? And everyone that has the same question can have the answer. It is much faster. It fosters a better learning environment for the whole class, okay? So I would appreciate that people follow those rules. Thank you, okay? So they are right here. And then you have the course content right here. This is the most important part of it, okay? Let me turn it on. Sorry, some of them haven't been turned off fully. I will, don't worry. So you have the 7 weeks right here. It starts with an intro to classic pixel art. You are going to create a classic pixel art character and a little game design and draw a mock-up level for that game design. That's very important because in the week 2, you're going to start to create that level using special techniques for video game called seamless tiles. In the week 3, you are going to add decals to those seamless tiles to get your level to be more customized and look better. And then in week 4, we jump into 3D right away. All right, we're going to start to learn how to use Maya, and you are going to model a 3D prop using Maya for video game. That's right away in week 4 we do that. And then in week 5, you're going to unwrap and texture that 3D prop that you made for a video game and following exactly video game rules, okay? In week 6, All right, you're gonna take that mesh that you've created, unwrapped and texture, and you're gonna animate it for video games. So you will have a complete setup. All right, at 7, you will just finalize the mesh and take the test. So by the end, you have a complete game dock with a classic pixel art character, a full level seamless textured professionally with decals on top for customizations. And then you will have one prop that will be properly modeled for video game, properly unwrapped for video game, and texture for video game. And then that prop will be animated properly following video game rules. You will have really 2 or 3 nice pieces for your portfolio. This is the class by itself. Okay? So start early, post on the forum, don't hesitate to ask me questions. Good luck, have fun everyone.